Okay, guys, I'm still going through it. You know, I showed you that lab kit in there for them to draw my blood. Guess what? They're still in there, and there's no blood in it. Um, my doctor has to use a special rig to get my blood. So she's supposed to. Sorry about my camera. Um, yeah, and they tell me, well, be fasting, be fasting. Well, I can only do that for so long. Now I'm weak because every day, I did the fasting thing. So, look, I gotta take my medicine. It's dinner time. I gotta eat because I'm a diabetic. I don't know what is wrong with this phone, but I don't have my phone holder in here. That's why. But anyway, my doctor called the nurses and told them to come by there and get this special kit that they have to use on me because I don't have any veins. They're there, but they're like baby veins, and that's what they got to go get. They got to go pick up this lab kit that they use on babies. So I don't know why they didn't bring that to begin with. There wasn't no way in heck that big gas needle was going into my veins. So I called the doctor and I said, look, they poke me once and then leave because they can't get nothing. And my doctor says, well, you're a very hard stick. I'm like, yeah, I know. And she said, I thought they got your blood before. I said, yeah, once, a long time ago. But it's been going on for a month now, and my body I'm wearing out. So I may be on, I might not be on, I may be resting through all this fasting every day and then nobody show up. And good night living. But yeah, the vials are still in there. They're still empty. So no blood work this week. And I'm not going to be putting up with it much longer. I'm going to tell you what, I'll change nursing companies. And this is bullcrap. They'll stick me once and say, well, let me call so-and-so and get them to come out here. Nobody shows up. Nobody. So, okay, the next day I'm fasting and I'm waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and nothing. Well, my body's getting weak from all the fasting I've been doing. And I'm just weak. I'll get over it. I know what it is. Just you're not being able to eat normal, for 12 hours. So, but anyway, she was supposed to call the nurses and tell them that they needed to come by there and pick up the kit that they use on me so they can get the blood. Lord. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to let you know that the drawing is next week. And like I said, I don't know if I'm going to make it this weekend because I'm weak. I haven't been able to eat right. Fasting for 12 hours, that's all your waking time, really. But anyway, it is what it is, guys. And I just wanted to let you know where we're at with that. And I want to thank everybody for stopping by. I love each and every one of y'all. Please give them a like, comment, subscribe, share. You really help me out. So, until the next one, guys, peace out. Bye.